Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for lock orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display section. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!